Hi, I'm Will with Air Theater Designs, and today we'll be talking about Bob. Not that Bob. This Bob. Everyone, meet Bob. Now before we get started, Bob is an acronym for Big Orange Button. It adds surge protection, more power outlets to plug in your sources like DVD players, Apple TVs, your TV, and talking about the troubleshooting part of it, this is for future use. If we're troubleshooting, this allows you to reboot your entire system. Okay, time out. Let's go over the troubleshooting steps before Will keeps rambling. On a quick side note, your TV won't always be connected to Bob, so by rebooting the system, it's not going to affect your TV by turning it off or on because it's on a different circuit, so just keep that in mind. Now as to your equipment, if your Apple TV is like stalling or your receiver, your surround sound is acting funny, it's always good to do the reboot, which we're going to show you right now in these few steps. Okay, first let's locate your Bob. You'll see the big orange light. That's going to be the button we're going to flip like a switch. You're going to leave it off for 30 seconds to a minute. It doesn't hurt if you leave it for a minute or any time longer. And then after the time has passed, you're going to flip it back on, and you have successfully done a reboot/restart. Yeah, that was it. It was that easy and quick. Okay, now let's hand it back to Will. You're not going to have to try to trace wires back, sticking your hands in cabinets. Just makes your life a whole lot easier. With the push of a button, flip of a switch, and it's an orange light. So Seth came up with Bob. I'm thinking it's working. What about you, Bob? What about Bob? I don't know. We think it's pretty good. It's worked out so far. We've been doing it maybe 6 years. Bob's been in business with us. So yeah, you're going to enjoy Bob. We enjoy Bob because we're on the other end of the phone of troubleshoots. Makes our life easier, your life easier. So we're good to go. That's a little introduction to Bob. Have a good one.